Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. Firstly, I recommend to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud, remove this application from the application list, and then open it again. Also, I recommend you to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for this application, and update if you haven't. Okay, if it didn't help you, we need to check if you have the latest software version. Open EARFUN audio application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, and they should be connected with the application. So tap at them and then scroll down. At the bottom we have version. Tap at this line. It check for updates, and it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't updated, you can do this in this menu. Now, if the update didn't help you or you haven't new software version, next step is to restart your phone. I mean, I use these earbuds with a phone, so I need to restart this phone. Maybe if you use it with a tablet, you need to restart your tablet. And the last one, if all of these methods didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. Open the lid. Inside the case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until the LED light starts blinking purple. So let's go, press and hold. Firstly it starts blink. Why blue? It's okay, just enter to panic mode, keep holding this button. Okay, we had it. Now we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to click refresh or just do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to panic mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. And we just reconnect them. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!